Hi, I'm Billi Maddox and I'm gonna mess this up so that you don't have to.
Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. You caught me spray painting a thing with a tiny microphone on a big handle. Right now you're probably thinking to yourself, that handle's far too big for that microphone. But I hope he gives me some painting tips too. These spiderweb or lightning-shaped ripples are often attributed to ambient humidity or weirdness happening when multiple paint layers are drying, but both of those are bullshit, and you're wrong. Just kidding, I didn't say you said that. This actually happens because of our inherent too much gene. In my personal experience, this most often happens when I'm doing a primer or base coat. Hey, you've built a thing, and now it's time to paint it. Exciting! You're not gonna let some punk-ass little base coat dictate your life like how your dad is constantly trying to tell you, you should have been an accountant, Greg. I can get you a good position at my firm, Greg. And now you have to turn to your dad and say, my name is not Greg anymore. It's guy who knows about spray paint ripples. So this isn't due to multiple layers of paint or the weather conditions during drying. It's due to one thick layer of paint. You have to think of your layers as having an inside edge and an outside edge. One making contact with the piece and one exposed to the air, respectively. If you have a thin layer, drying shouldn't be an issue. But if you have even a slightly thick layer, the outside exposed to air side will dry faster than what it's shielding from air beneath it. When paint dries, it constricts, and this uneven shrinking is what causes the outside layer to ripple as it constricts over a still viscous layer. If you've ever left acrylic paints out, you'll know this. You can come back, even after just an hour, and find your paint has created a dried skin around itself, and if you pierce it, it still oozes on the inside. That outside layer shielded the paint from the elements, and as it, and the rest of it, shrinks, it hardens. If you think of this on a smaller scale, you can wrap your head around this ripply artifacting. This only happens to me when I tell myself, oh, there's a bare patch. Let me spray that again to get it. So stop that. You're wasting everyone's time, Greg. Thank you so much to my patrons, and there's a link in the description if you're into it. Thank you so much for watching. Roll the thing!